Hey everybody, it's Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady here today, and today I'm going to break in my new larger sketchbook. I broke in my smaller sketchbook earlier this week or last week, I don't know. But this is a bigger one. I also got this one from, I believe, I was thinking I got it at Five Below, but I actually think I got it at Dollar General, though, now that I think about it. But anyway, I love it because I can do this. And I have all of this here. I like the way this paper feels. And so I thought my first one was going to be about cats. Because I got this phrase, cats out of the bag. And then I don't have a whole lot of cat pictures. But I have tons of dog pictures. And that's because my library has I forget the name of it, but it's a dog magazine, and I get that. But they don't have a cat magazine. I should ask them to get a cat magazine. I don't think I'm going to use this one. I don't even actually think I like this one. It's too blurry. I might get rid of it. But I thought of this picture, the cat's out of the bag. I don't know. It's not really... It would be better if he was popping out of the bag, but he's not. So I think I'm just going to put a pretty background thing down, and just put some of my cats on here. And this is really all I have, so something like that. I don't know. Let's find something we can put down as a background. I may not use all of this. It might be nice just to have the one cat on there, and in that case I could actually use my smaller one, but no, let's do it. Let's figure this out. I think I'm just gonna actually not use this one and just maybe even use this one just as a background. Well, that kind of looks nice together. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use that because I want to include this little cat coming out of the bag, and that's not gonna look good with all those giant flowers there. So let's measure this out where we need to cut. And yeah, I hope you're all doing well. It got a little chilly here again. I did plant some of my sunflowers outside last night, and they seem to be doing okay. But we might have to drape them with a sheet and put a light bulb over them on a couple of nights, because it's supposed to get cold down into the 40s again, which I hope it doesn't, but it very easily could. And I don't want my sunflowers to die. I really started them a month too early in the house, so don't start your sunflowers or tomatoes in March. I was trying to get a jump on it, and I did it too early. But this is going to go here. So let's get our glue. I think I'll use my Scotch glue for this, get that all down. And I think I'm going to put a gluing paper in here too, so I don't get glue on everything else. Yeah, do you garden? Do you do vegetable garden or flower garden, or both? We do both, but we don't like grow so much food that we can survive on it. It's a lot of work when you're old, I guess. We used to grow a lot more, but where we lived before. But not anymore. We're just getting too old for that. And I never really did enjoy vegetable gardening, so I don't really like getting my hands dirty. And it's hard to do it when you're wearing gloves, I find. But so we just mostly do flowers. All right. I believe that's good. Oh, maybe it's up too high. Maybe not. All right, I'm just going to leave it as that, at that. Oh, darn it. I didn't get it on straight. Ugh, will it come up? I think it might be too much trouble. No, it's coming out pretty good. My arm's in the way, probably. Oh boy. I can't believe I did that, though. Is that better? I guess that's a little better. I dropped my scraper, my little scraper, but I have a bigger Dollar Tree scraper. Now my page is curling up. This is what I'm worried about, being able to do that, but that's fine. I will, however, put it down lower next time, because it's not sticking that well up there. Maybe because I pulled it off. All right, so he's going here. Let's put him here, and maybe we'll put him down here. I don't know. And then the cat's out of the bag, or should I just do this? The cat's out of the bag. Boom. What do you think? Should I include the other cat? Maybe here. I put him there. How's that? Cat's out of the bag. That's cute. I think that's what I'm going to do. I was thinking about putting something, like mounting this on something, because it's so similar to the background color. But we'll think about that in a minute. Let's glue our pieces down. Okay, I'm going to get the bottom guy on here. And, oops, sticking to my gluing page. We're going to put him like this. And then we're going to finish gluing the cat. And he's going to go right here. I already lost my other scraper. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm gonna get this cat now. glue it up. We're almost done with our dining room floor. We just about finished. I might not have room to put this on another piece, though. I'll see. Let's put him down. This is coming out pretty good, I think. And now we'll turn this over and glue this guy. I think I'm going to cut this part out here, though. So let's do that. I'll move this over so you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, so sometimes it just gets a little raggedy if you don't hold on to it. There. Okay. That's pretty good. I couldn't find my lid for this for the longest time, and I finally found it. I was always afraid I was going to find it, or pick it up and forget the lid was gone. Alright, we're going to glue this cat on. Without ripping it, hopefully. Yeah, so I'm excited about using this new... Oh, it's got to go down lower. About using this new notebook. I want to try to do my little projects neater. When I was first starting out, I felt like everything was sloppy. Like my gluing was sloppy, and my cutting was sloppy. So, I wonder if I do have room for another cat like this. That might be cute. Where could he go? I suppose I could put another cat right there. Why don't I just go ahead and use my cats? But first, let's figure this out. This needs some kind of mount. Maybe I'll get a coordinating paper. Would pink be good? Or darker green, maybe. Let's try darker green. I might have some in here. My scraps. Oh boy. Did I bump you? Oh, here we go. Hopefully it's big enough. Is it big enough? Oh, it's just about perfect. Alright, so dark green it is. I'll bump you again. Alright, I think I'm going to glue this on first and then cut it to size. Trying to be neater. I might even round the corners. You can't see what I'm doing, can you? Alright, so let's put that like that. I still got glue on it. That's what I was trying not to do. Let's put the lid on here until we're ready for more gluing. And I don't even really need to open that. I don't know why I did. Okay. Close enough? I think that's good. Alright, we've got that now. I'm going to just cut off each side a little bit. Okay, and this one? A little. That looks pretty good. And now we'll just round the corners tiny. A tiny rounder, corner rounder here. Alright, I think that's cute. And let's get this glued on. I'm still not on the fence about these other cats, though. I'm just not sure I want to put any more cats on here. So we got this. Aw, I think that looks so cute. What do you think? Does it look cute? And let's see. What if I put another cat right here? And this cat... I think it's too crowded. I think I'm going to just go ahead and save those two cats for another day. I hope you enjoyed this video and this collage, and let me know what you think in the comments below. I appreciate your support and taking the time out of your day to watch my video. And check out my Ko-fi page, where I do have some exclusive content up there for supporters. And I have some free things for everybody that you can download, and I also have some $1 items that you can download. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.